Today is Sunday, February 12th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac DeVille convertible windshield wiper controller module. This is for my friend Warren in St. Petersburg. The unit was acquired by Warren from somebody and it didn't work. He brought to me to have it tested, and we're going to swap it out for the one in his vehicle, having now fully restored this unit. So I'm going to be doing a functional validation test under power. We'll be looking for the light bulb to come on once I connect my alligator clips. Okay, so we're now connected to power. The light bulb is off, and I'm going to go ahead and actuate the wash switch, and the light bulb comes on, moving the unit to the low position. As I escalate to the medium, the light bulb continues to stay on, as well as high, so we have electrical continuity in all three of the modes. Shut it off, and the light bulb goes off. So the unit has been fully restored, and I'll be sending this, or Warren will come by and pick it up as soon as we get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1970 for the Cadillacs, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, and through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, including the one-year-only 1969 Rimblow steering wheel, all the way through 1978 with the wood grain inlay, as well as the predecessor steering wheels from 59 through 66 and 67 and 68 with the 682 grip lines. I'm also known for my tilt and telescopic steering column restorations, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as this windshield wiper controller module. Today is Sunday, February 12th. Thank you very kindly.